Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Paychex Employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search www.paychex.com. Once you hit the search and URL, you will be redirected to the Paychex official website. You just have to look at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a login button, just click here. After clicking it, you will see Paychex Flex Login. If you know the credentials, then click here. If not, then just click Paychex Go. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username as an employee and hit Next, and enter your password, and you can simply log in here and enjoy using Paychex. In case you forgot your username or password, you can click here and reset it. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedback are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.